Here is Ludwig Speth, Technical Lead Solution Engineer at TeamViewer Germany GmbH, explaining how smart glasses, industrial IoT platforms, and remote connectivity are supporting frontline workers and improving efficiency on the shop floor.
And I'm Solution Engineer at TeamViewer, the market leader for digital workplace solutions. Today we are here at HANNOVER MESSE. And at HANNOVER MESSE, we brought our showcase together with Cybers. TeamViewer, known for its remote connectivity solution, focused in the last couple of years strongly also on enterprise solutions. And for us, this means today we're not only able to connect to a computer, smartphone, or tablet, we can also directly connect to a PLC in an assembly line, for example. And besides this, we also want to support the frontline workers, the blue-collar workers, so everyone who is really working in the industry, in the assembly line. And for this, we have smart glasses here. So on the smart glasses, we can have a step-by-step instruction. So the user is guided through the process and knows exactly what they need to do. So I can now control the whole solution via voice. And here you can see what I also see on my screen. So I say, continue. And now I also did hear a voice with some work instructions, and it did tell me the blue screw has to be tightened in hole 2. I also can see a small visualization here. So that's the second hole, and I see all the information that I need. But now I also need more data, and those data will now come from Cybers. So Cybers, an industry IoT platform, can be connected to every single sensor in the facility line. So they can, for example, connect directly to this wrench. And the data will be transferred also into our solution. So once I take the wrench and tighten this screw, in our solution, I will see, okay, this screw now is okay. I can see the final torque was 8.6 Newton meter, and that's exactly what I needed. And this information, as I said, came through Cybers. So all the sensor data can then also be transferred to an MES system. So I can directly see where I in the target range for the torque. And all this will also be used for documentation. So I know exactly which user used the solution and did they follow the process. So if there are any claims in the future, I can prove that we as an assembly line did everything the wrong way, the correct way. And this is not the only thing. So besides the whole integration, for example, to Cybers, we can also directly call for support. So if I have an issue, I can directly call a super user, a shift leader on my device. So since we have an integrated camera, microphone, and speaker, I, as a connected worker, can directly contact any person and call for help if I need it, and directly at this location. This also reduces travel time drastically because the expert can sit in Tokyo and the employee on the assembly line is maybe in New York, and no one has to travel anymore to fix the actual problem. And this is here the Cybers and TeamViewer showcase. If you want to learn more about it, visit us at HANNOVER MESSE in April, visit the TeamViewer and Cybers booth.